So we stopped for gas and some vitamin waters. I have my assistant, my beautiful wife. It will be more fun with her here. So we're gonna head over there right now. It's like 5 miles from here, and we're gonna see how much it costs to mount these and see what they look like. Welcome back to another episode of JDM for All. Thank you guys for watching, and welcome back, JDM fam. As you guys can see, we are dealing with the RD7 today. So we're mounting these all-terrain tires I just got. These are Adventuro all-terrains, same size as the tires that I have installed right now, which are 235/75/15s. These are mud tires. They wore out pretty fast, and these are directional tires, so you can only swap them on one side. So they do wear out somewhat fast, as well as being pretty soft rubber as well. So these are all-terrains. These should be much better for the CRV. It should have a better ride quality, quieter, better miles per gallon, as well as not wearing out as fast. So that's what I'm hoping for. I got these for about, I think, $98 on eBay. I will link these in the description, but these are awesome, guys. So these have pretty aggressive treads. I really like that, and can't wait to see what they look like on the CRV. We're gonna go mount them right now, and we'll do a couple clips inside the CRV driving, just so you guys can hear what it sounds like with these mud tires. We aren't swapping all four right now, so it's not going to change drastically, but it might change a little bit. So let me show you guys really quick. Here's the rear, driver's side rear. These are wearing out super quick, and I haven't done a rotation in a couple oil changes, so that's probably another reason why they're wearing out fast. And here's the driver, which is looking pretty bad, but guys, check out the other driver's side. I'm actually embarrassed about this. I didn't even realize it was this bad until I looked today, and I've just been driving, haven't even looked at it, and these are wearing out really funky. So definitely want to rotate these tires if you have mud tires, and if you have these tires especially. These are Road 1 Calvary mud tires. They are just looking bad. I can't wait to replace them. I am going to get the rears super soon, but today we're going to be working on the fronts, so let's go. So we stopped for gas and some vitamin waters. I have my assistant, my beautiful wife. It will be more fun with her here, so we're going to head over there right now. It's like 5 miles from here, and we're going to see how much it costs to mount these and see what they look like. So this is what it sounds like with all four mud tires, and this is worn down, so it's actually a little bit quieter than it was when they were brand new. This is bad. You can't even talk on the phone in this kind of noise. This is with the AC off, just cruising at 40 miles an hour. We're not even going fast, and it is loud. It just looks so bad. So the front tires are mounted, guys. I'll show you guys what they look like in a minute, but this is what it sounds like. So you could still hear a lot of the noise from the mud tires in the back, obviously, because they're still mounted back there. In the front, it feels much better. It feels smoother, and it is a lot quieter up here in the front. I just feel way less vibrations in the steering wheel, so it feels way better. So happy about this. So it actually feels like the all seasons again. So really happy with this, and I can't wait to mount the rears as well. All right, so we're at Costco, just got the tires mounted. Check it out, guys. This is what they look like. Definitely a good looking tire. They even have treads on the sides right here, so looks like they will be pretty capable for off-road. I did want to mention, guys, I loved how they rode. These tires rode like a dream on the road. These tires felt like stock again, which it makes me so happy. So the steering wheel did not have any vibrations. The steering wheel was straighter. The last time the tires were mounted with the mud tires, those mud tires lost a lot of tread, so the steering wheel felt way better. So it feels like the CR-V is taking off quicker and there's less resistance. It just feels so smooth and I love it. Looking great. So I think for $98, these were a great buy, and the CR-V just feels so much better. Like I said, guys, it feels stock again. It doesn't feel really bumpy or noisy anymore, and I'm just happy about that. Also, by the way, when I turn, when I'm stopped or moving really slow, it does feel a lot easier to turn with these tires. So all the way around, guys, I am so happy with these tires. Can't wait to update you guys and talk about more that I have noticed, as well as mounting the back tires. I need to mount those back ones. So let me know what you guys think about these Adventuro all-terrain tires. So far, I am loving them, and I only drove probably like 10 miles. And even on the freeway, it's been a long time since I've driven the CR-V on the freeway without feeling a bunch of vibration and noise in the front. And it just feels so much better. It feels almost like a car now, and that is what it should have felt like from the beginning. So definitely never going to be buying mud tires again. I'm staying away from those. Unless you don't drive on paved roads, I would steer clear of mud tires altogether. So super happy with these guys. Definitely happy with my purchase and my decision on these tires. I'll see you guys on the next video.